before we do the 12, because I'm going to teach you a different way for the 12 that you're going to love. Let's do 6 times 9. That's usually a hard one.
It's hard. To me, I knew you were going to say 9. You know why? Because I know a fact about 6. I mean 9s.
What?
It's just easy.
You about to show me that finger trick? Nope,
Yeah.
we ain't doing no tricks.
But I ain't doing that.
That trick works, but unless we can explain why it works, we're not going to use it. But what can we use that we're practicing?
We could split up the 6 into a 3. So we could do like 3 and 3.
Oh, you could have the 6. Do you know 9 times 3?
It should be easy.
Do you know 9 plus 9, your double?
9 plus 9 equals... That's what I was doing.
I'm about to teach you something that's about to blow your mind. Give me that marker. Isn't 9 really close to 10?
Oh, man. Okay, yes.
Okay, so if you have 3 9s, what's 3 10s?
30.
And then take off 3.
Oh, wait, so it's
30 minus
30. No,
30 minus 3.
It should be... Wait. It's going to be the 30s, right? Well, no, if
I'm
it's
taking
30,
3 off because I'm giving an
27.
extra one, right?
27 should be.
Yes, it is. Okay. So if you wanted to use your halving for your 6s, you could have your 6 into 3 and 3, and you could do 6 times 3 is 27, plus another 6 times 3 is
27.
And then put that together. How do you put those together?
I do it. Let's see.
Try to talk me through it without writing.
I was gonna do something weird.
I like weird.
Okay, I know that 7 plus 2 equals 9.
Is that really 2 though?
No, that's the 10s.
Right.
So no, I shouldn't do that.
Okay.
7 plus 7 equals 13.
14.
Oh, 14.
We still got to practice those doubles, but we'll be good.
14.
So 7 and 7 is 14.
And then 2 plus 2 equals 4, but it was 14, so you have to add another one. It will equal 5. The 10s would equal 5.
5 what?
It would 5 10s.
Okay.
And then 4 1s.
Which would be?
54.
Okay, so that's one way we can do it. We can have our 6 and do 3s and put them back together, right? What's another way we can break up that 6? To make it easier.
We can break it up into 5.
Okay, show me how you would do that.
So I would take off... Man, I forgot this is all missing. So I would turn this... it would go down to a 5 because I know my 5's better than my 6 a little. So
Me too. I've been counting by 5 since kindergarten, so I'm pretty good with the 5s. What else would it be? It would be 5 and what else to make 6?
5 plus... Oh, wait, I forgot to do that little way thing. So, 5 and 1.
Okay, talk me through.
So, I know 1 times 9 is 9.
Okay.
So, 5 times 9 is... 40... Wait, no. 45.
Okay, and then?
45 plus 9 equals 13. Wait. Oh yeah, 45 plus 9 equals 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and then, yeah, 54.
54, that's the same thing we got. You want me to show you a faster way to add 9? So we said we're doing 9 times 5, we said is 45, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to add on 9, right? So 9 is really close to what?
9 is really close to 10.
What's 45 plus 10?
45 plus 10 equals 55.
Do you see this little 1 that I added on there? That's my extra 1 to make it easier. So 45 plus 10 is 55, but take 1 off.
Equals 50. Wait, no. 54.
You like that? Isn't that faster?
It's kind of weird too. I don't get.
You want to practice a few more like that?
I don't get why there's like that little dot right there.
That was the extra one that I added.
Oh.
Because 9 and 1 more. Or I could have written it like this too. Does that make more sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try another one. If we're going to do like 37 plus 9 to make it easier so I don't have to use my fingers and count on, I can add another one. Then I'll do 37 plus 9.
10.
Okay, would be what?
37 plus 10 equals 47.
But take off the extra one.
It would equal 46.
You like that way? That's number sense, baby. You like it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you got to sign us off.
Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to watch more videos, just subscribe and then you'll see more videos.
All right, y'all. We're back with Ethan, and I think I'm going to stretch his brain just a little bit. We've been working on some cool multiplication strategies like halving and doubling, and we've also been working on using a benchmark of 5 to help with multiplication facts that have factors that are close to 5. And we practiced with 6 times 9 since 6 is close to 5. I'm going to stretch Ethan's brain just a little bit. I'm going to see if he can do it without building. Of course, if he needs to build, he can always build. But I'm going to just see if he can stretch his brain a little bit. So instead of doing 6 times 9, Ethan, I'm going to do 7 times 9. Is there a 5 inside of a 7?
Yes.
Okay, what would be left over?
2. Well, yeah, 5.
Yeah.
We can split it up like this. 5. And 2.
Okay, now how can I use that benchmark of 5 inside of the 7 to help me with this fact?
I could do 5 times 9 and then 2 times 9. And then whenever I would put them together.
Okay, so you can write anything that you want. So do you know your 5 times 9?
Mm-hmm. Wait. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45.
You can write that down. And then you said you had to do 2 times 9, right?
2 times 9. And then that would equal...
Don't count by 2s if 9 plus 9 is faster.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 11, 12, 13, 14.
Or add your 10 and take 1 away. Remember how we worked on that?
18.
Okay. You can think 9 plus 10 is 19. Take 1 away.
So 18. And then put them together plus... 4 plus 1 equals... Well, no, wait. 8?
You know what I'm going to do?
The 8 plus 5.
No, do you know what I'm going to do? Because I don't want you to just go through steps. I want you to think about, there's so many ways that you can put these together. Okay? What is the value of the 4?
The value of the 4 is the 10s.
4 tens is how much, though?
4, you said 4 10?
Yeah. If I have 4 $10 bills, how much is that?
40.
So put 40 here.
45. And then 5, right?
Yeah, but make sure you wrote 40. Okay.
Always confusing.
It's okay. You were just thinking ahead to that 5. Okay.
And just paste that. And then 5.
Okay. And then do your values for 18 over here.
So 18. So 10, 8.
Okay, now let's think about how we can put those numbers together.
We could do, let's see. So we could do.
Don't write anything. Talk first, and then we'll write.
We could do 5 plus 8 and 18 plus 40. But it's gonna be. It's like.
Now, over there, you started with your 10s. So start with your 10s here. 40 and 10. What's 40 and 10?
50.
What do you want to put with the 50 next? 8 or 5? Because we don't want to count on that much.
5. 55.
But if I put on the 8, I only have to count on 5.
So 58.
And then add 5, then count up from 58. 5 more.
58, 56, 57, 58.
58.
59. Wait.
Count on the 5.
59, 60, 61, 62, 63.
Think 63? Okay? Put equals 63 up here.
63.
Okay, that's the correct answer. Now, I'm about to show you another way to do 9s that you might like even better. What was that? Is your mind blown? We got to work on, when we go and drive in the car, like, remind me to do your 5s with you and your doubles addition.
What do you mean by driving a car?
Like when we go hang out on the weekends and stuff. Just remind me to practice those 5s so you don't have to skip count anymore. Because the more you practice, the less you'll have to skip count. And I think you've been skip counting for so long. You're just trying to retrain your brain a little bit. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to draw an array this time. Because it takes a long time to build, right? So I'm going to say, if I'm going to do 7 times 9, let's pretend there's 7 here and 9 here. Remember how when we were adding 9, we said sometimes it's easier to just add 10 and then take off the extra 1?
Yes.
The same thing you can do when you multiply, okay? So if I have 7 times 9, watch what I can do. I'm going to add on one more row. So this is 9 groups of 7 in here, and this would be an extra group of...
A 1.
Of what?
Not 7.
7, okay? So if this was an extra group, if that was there, this is my one more group of 7.
That would make it 10 dollars.
That would make it 10, right? So what's 7 times 10?
70.
Okay, but then take off.
1.
But I'm not just taking off 1 this time. I'm taking off one group of 7.
7, so 70. Wait, no.
So 7 times 10 is 70, and I'm
Minus
taking off
7.
7 times 1, so minus 7. 70 minus 7.
63.
Oh, what do we have up here?
63.
And what do we have down here?
63.
So this way we broke up our 7 into a 5 and a 2 using a benchmark of 5. This way we used a benchmark of 10 because 9 is close to 10. Which way do you like better?
This.
You like using that 10?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. You just need a little bit more practice, right? You're doing awesome.
And then we'll get all the facts and be mind blown.